The REDCap system is used to capture evaluation questionnaires, chart reviews, and aggregate data from your site. This is primarily something that evaluation staff members will do, although sometimes at some sites interventionists will help with the chart reviews. If that's the case and you don't have a REDCap account, please let me know. We are happy to get you set up with your own account. Every person has their own unique login here, and it's very important that you keep your usernames and passwords private and unique to you, because we do use that information when we're tracking who's logging what. So when you log into REDCap, you'll be set up with your own username and password. The password is just one part of your login. After you click on Login, you'll be prompted to use two-factor authentication in order to access the REDCap projects. There are a few ways to verify that your two-factor authentication. There's Duo, Google Authenticator, and email. The first time that you log in, you'll have to authenticate using email because you need to be logged in order to set up your Google Authenticator or Duo setups for REDCap logins. So the first time that you log in, we recommend that you have your work email open. The email that you receive with the verification code is only good for 2 minutes, after which that verification code expires. If it turns out that 2 minutes is not long enough for you to receive that email, just send me a quick email message. We can extend that time limit on a case-by-case basis. Oftentimes, people find it useful to set up Duo or Google Authenticator after they've logged in for the first time, because it is a much faster way of verifying your permissions. So Google Authenticator you may already have on your smartphone or mobile device. That is something where you can sync it with your REDCap account, and then you just have to type in, I think it's a 6-digit number to verify that it's you. Duo is a different kind of mobile application where you can get it to send you a push, which means that your mobile device you just have to tap your mobile device to approve the verification. Duo also has alternate methods of sending you verification codes, so you could set it up to do the push, which is just, tapping on your phone or your mobile device, or it can text you a passcode or call you with a passcode, which again is just a string of numbers that you type in. So I'm going to use Duo here. I'm going to ask it to send me a push. Oh, one thing about Duo that I really like is that there's this remember me for 30 days checkbox. So if you're using the same computer and same web browser to log in to REDCap every time, this is a really handy way to avoid the two-factor authentication. It means that you only need to use the two-factor authentication once every month instead of every time that you log in. If it turns out that you're moving around from computer to computer, this is less useful because it only remembers the specific combination of the computer that you're on and the web browser that you're using. So I'm going to click on send me a push, and that will make my phone buzz. After I've clicked on approve on my phone, I'll see all of the projects that I have access to. You'll see that I have things organized so that there's a training section and a live section. You can organize things however you wish. I will point out that up in the upper right-hand corner here, there's a My Profile button. If you click on that, then you'll be able to sync up your phone or mobile device with Duo and Google Authenticator. So that's where you would go to set up those additional forms of two-factor authentication. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication or with your password, just send me an email and let me know. There is on the home page a forgot your password link. So if you've forgotten your password, you can always click on that, enter your email address, and you'll be emailed a link to reset your password. Again, if you have trouble with that, please email me and let me know.